In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then tap on face recognition. Enter your current login method and click on this icon next to Enable Rise to Wake to disable or enable this option. When you're ready, hit Get Started. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then operate all of those options however you want to and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!